Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys, how can we off this screen touch sound guys. Guys, you want to off this touch sound, so guys you can off it. In this video guys, I will show you how can you off by this touch sound guys in Vivo phone. So guys, let's start the video guys. First of all guys, open your phone setting to off this touch sound. After that guys, scroll it and guys click on sound setting, this sound setting guys, click here and guys scroll it. After that guys, you can see guys this is this touch sound guys, you can see. So we will click this right side, so touch sound will off guys, you cannot listen your touch sound. So as you can see guys, touch sound is not working. So I hope friends you have understood how to off touch sound in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.